everybody.
The crown can be heavy to carry it, but when it's fallen on you, it is such a gift and such a tremendous opportunity to be a leader.
A leader changes the order of things for the better. And it is only by changing the order of things for the better that problems get solved.
We think that timing is an art, but it's really a science. If you are intentional about when you do things, following the science, not your intuition, you're gonna make better decisions, you're gonna be a better leader, and you're gonna contribute more to the world.
As the leader, I don't always have to have the answers. We give our colleagues the opportunity to make the biggest step up when we're vulnerable enough to say, I need your help here.
The more you love to grow, the less the fear of failure will have a grip on you. Now, I know you're ready, but I'm a little concerned about the person on your left.
You do know you're on my left, right?
Yeah, I do. I left the question, how long will it take? And I picked up the question, how far can I go?